Why being more organized won't fix your business, and what will ever notice how you can be incredible at your work, but your consultancy still feels disorganized. This is a classic symptom for many skilled professionals. You deliver high quality work and have deep expertise, yet behind the scenes, your operations feel chaotic, stressful, and unsustainable. You are an expert at your craft, but you feel like an amateur at running your business. This isn't a personal failure. The feeling of being constantly overwhelmed points to a fundamental flaw, not in your skills, but in the reactive mindset that governs your operations. The chaos is a direct result of a business that runs on reaction, not intention. 1. The problem isn't you, it's your system. The root cause is a simple but critical flaw. Your business is built on reaction, not intention. In a reactive consultancy, the work controls you instead of you controlling the work. Your schedule, priorities, and energy are dictated by incoming client requests and a manufactured sense of urgency, leaving you perpetually behind. Here are the telltale symptoms of a reactive operational model: responding instantly to client requests, jumping between tasks, reinventing deliverables each time, unclear scope boundaries, inconsistent pricing, saying yes to everything, no weekly structure, no batching, everything feels urgent. Individually, these seem like minor issues. Cumulatively, they create a vortex of inefficiency that burns you out and puts a ceiling on your growth. Recognizing this pattern is the first step toward a solution because it shifts the focus from self-blame to a solvable systemic challenge. 2. Why being more organized is the wrong fix. When faced with operational chaos, the reflexive advice is to get more organized. This advice is tempting because it feels proactive and tangible. You buy a new planner, download a new productivity app, and create more detailed to-do lists, assuming that a better set of tools will solve the problem. But this approach is fundamentally flawed. It fails because it addresses the symptoms, not the disease. Organizational tools are designed to manage tasks within a system. They cannot fix a broken system. Piling organization onto a reactive foundation is like putting a new coat of paint on a crumbling wall. It looks better for a moment, but it does nothing to address the structural instability. The fix isn't be more organized, it's designing your business intentionally. 3. Control comes from structure, not more hours. The true solution is to shift from reactive habits to intentional design. This means creating an operational blueprint, a set of non-negotiable rules for how your business runs that serves your goals, not just your clients' immediate demands. These foundational elements include weekly themes, batching tasks, fixed delivery windows, clear scope limits, standardized templates, structured onboarding, a predictable schedule, clear communication rhythms. Implementing these elements isn't about adding bureaucracy. It's about creating clarity and reducing friction. For example, weekly themes and batching tasks dramatically reduce the mental cost of context switching, freeing up cognitive bandwidth for deep, high-value work. Standardized templates and a structured onboarding process eliminate decision fatigue and ensure consistent quality without reinventing the wheel for every project. This is how structure directly engineers a calmer, more effective business. Once you begin to operate within this intentional framework, the transformation is profound. Your stress drops, clients respect your boundaries, your work becomes repeatable, your weeks feel calmer, your delivery becomes sharper. You didn't start your consultancy to feel overwhelmed. You started it to have control, and control comes from structure, not from more hours. Conclusion: from chaos to calm. The power to transform your consultancy from chaos to calm lies not in working harder, but in thinking differently about your operations. The strategic shift from a reactive mode to an intentionally structured one is what turns your business from a source of stress into a stable platform for your expertise. By implementing clear systems, you regain control and build a business that truly serves you. What is one piece of structure you could introduce this week to take back control of your work? Notebook LM can be inaccurate. Please double check its responses.